All right. Let's take a look at Amazon as the market continues to claw back yesterday's losses after the Trump dismissal of bipartisanship by Pelosi. She failed to get the deal done, and he's taking full credit for it. But he's just like, listen, I'm fine with helping out a couple businesses. I'm fine with giving the people some money, but the rest to bail out the estates, a no-go. Market sold off big on that news, and how this really affected the market, you can see kind of real close. Amazon hit a high of 35.50 previously here in August, sold off almost 20% down to 28.70, right where it should have in the profile. And then reactive bounce after holding 28.70. We climbed all the way up to 32.09, and we're trading 31.89 right now. So we're back to this area. I would look to be a seller. I'd love to be selling some out-of-money calls at 3,300 if we can get a little bit higher in the move here. So wanted to point out, if we get above 32.10 again, we'll move swiftly, probably another 60, 70, 80, 90 points, up to 3,300 possibly. And we'll pause again there. We had a high back here of around 33.50 on the initial fall of Amazon. So that little bounce after it fell 35.50 down to 31.10, bounced to 33.50, then proceeded straight down to 28.70. So again, we're in kind of the meat of the profile right in here. Kind of in balance, and the high end of balance after a sell-off, after a blow-off top. And 33.50 would be a real nice area, again, to look to sell 3,300 to 33.50, which is about a 2% range in the stock. When you're trading stocks like this that are so highly expensive, you either need a lot of capital, or you can trade using calls and different vehicles around it, or puts, buying or selling of. That's a discussion for another time, but the profile is giving us real good information here. Our point of control is still down here at 2,400, and this is going back about 6 months. So to me, we're way out of value, but as long as we continue to hold that 28.70, we're okay for now. Next time through, I'd bet we'd clean up in here, we'd clean up down in here, and eventually work our way back to 2,400. We'll see when and if that happens, but right now I'm just setting up and watching this for an opportunity to bump a little higher so I can sell some calls. And again, I would look at 33.50, 3,400 type back spreads where you can sell verticals against the market again. Detailed there later in our coursework here at marketvitals.io. We hope you have a great day, and we'll see you on the other side.